In the quiet corridors of a synthetic biology lab, the air is filled with a subtle hum, a blend of machines working tirelessly, and the sterile scent of chemicals that lingers like a ghostly presence. As you step inside, the world outside fades away, replaced by the steady rhythm of scientific pursuit. Here, time seems to stretch and compress in curious ways as hours slip by unnoticed, marked only by the gentle ticking of a clock on the wall. Your day begins with the familiar ritual of donning a lab coat and gloves, preparing to dive into the intricate dance of pipetting solutions with painstaking precision. Each drop of liquid that transfers from one tube to another is a step in an elaborate choreography where patience is not just a virtue, but a necessity. The process is slow, deliberate, and requires a focus that can be both meditative and monotonous. As you wait for reactions to occur, a stillness settles over the lab, punctuated only by the occasional beep of a machine signaling completion of another incremental step. The breakthroughs are rare, hidden like gems in the vast expanse of time, and yet each small success carries the weight of potential future wonders. This world of synthetic biology, where the very codes of life are rewritten and explored, might seem poised on the edge of exciting discovery. Yet, it unfolds in a way that is surprisingly calm, its grandeur hidden beneath layers of routine. It is a place where dedication and methodical work are the keystones, where quiet determination slowly builds the foundation for innovations that could one day reshape our understanding of life itself. And as you immerse yourself in this environment, you find that the gentle rhythm of the lab has its own lullaby, inviting you to dream of what could be, even as it lulls you into a state of serene contemplation. In the tranquil environment of the lab, the figures of the pioneers of synthetic biology come to mind, their stories woven into the fabric of scientific history. Think of Craig Venter, a trailblazer whose name echoes through the halls of genetics. He famously mapped the human genome and even led the creation of the first synthetic cell, a feat that seemed as much science fiction as science fact. His journey was one of meticulous labor and unwavering perseverance, a testament to the slow yet profound progress that defines this field. Venter's work, along with that of his peers, required a steadfast commitment to the methodical nature of research. Each experiment, each adjustment was a step toward unraveling the complex tapestry of life. It is a story not of eureka moments, but of countless hours spent in quiet reflection and precise repetition, where the path to discovery is paved with patience and a willingness to explore the unknown. These scientists are the quiet architects of a future where life can be designed as if it were an intricate blueprint. As you ponder their achievements, a deeper mystery begins to unfold before you. What does it mean to create life from scratch? 无跑是谁? The very idea stirs the imagination, conjuring visions of bespoke organisms tailored to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. The implications are vast and multifaceted, prompting questions that are as philosophical as they are scientific. What boundaries should we set, and how do we navigate the ethical terrain of playing nature's role? These considerations create a gentle ripple in your thoughts, inviting you to explore the potential and pitfalls of such profound power. Within the serene confines of the lab, where each step forward is deliberate and considered, these questions linger softly, encouraging a reflection on the balance between innovation and responsibility. As you mull over these ideas, the soothing atmosphere of the lab envelops you, offering both a sanctuary for contemplation and a cradle for the dreams of tomorrow. In this reflective space, your mind drifts to the contrast between the quiet toil of the lab and the bustling world of biotechnological executives. Far from the hum of machines and the methodical pace of experiments, these leaders make decisions from plush offices where the view is less of test tubes and more of city skylines. Their discussions revolve around strategy, investment, and the potential society-shifting impacts of synthetic biology. These high-level choices ripple outward, influencing not just the direction of scientific research, but also the broader societal landscape. As you consider this, it's clear that the world of synthetic biology is not just confined to the sterile lab benches, but is intertwined with the fabric of society. The implications of designing life forms extend into realms of policy, economics, and ethics, touching every corner of human existence. It is a field poised on the cusp of revolutionizing industries from medicine to agriculture, promising solutions to global challenges like food security and environmental sustainability. Yet, with such potential comes the need for thoughtful stewardship. The dialogue between scientists and executives must balance innovation with caution, ensuring that the power to alter life is wielded wisely and equitably. This broader perspective gently nudges your mind into considering how these societal shifts could reshape our future. As the sun sets outside the lab, casting a warm glow through its windows, the comforting routine of the day's work finds its resolution in a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of science and society. Here, in the tranquil pause between the day's end and tomorrow's promise, lies a moment of serenity, a quiet assurance that within these walls and beyond, the quest to understand and shape life continues with both care and hope. As the day's work draws to a close, you find yourself reflecting on how this world of synthetic biology, with its blend of science and contemplation, mirrors the cycles of life itself. The lab, with its quiet rituals and steady progress, feels like a microcosm of a larger journey, where each small step contributes to the unfolding story of discovery and understanding. Outside, the evening sky deepens into a tapestry of a reminder of the vast unexplored universe that parallels the microscopic worlds being crafted within the lab. In this gentle transition from day to night, the lab's hum softens, and the echoes of footsteps fade into the background. There is a peacefulness that settles in, akin to the calm after a long day, where the mind can wander freely through thoughts and possibilities. As you tidy up your workspace, the familiar motions provide a comforting rhythm, grounding you in the present while allowing your imagination to soar. The stories of those who have pioneered this field, the ethical questions posed by their work, and the societal implications of their discoveries all coalesce into a rich tapestry of contemplation. It's a meditation on the intricate dance between what is known and what remains to be discovered. A dance that is as old as humanity's quest for knowledge itself. As you stepped outside, leaving the lab behind, the cool night air greets you, refreshing and invigorating. The world beyond the lab seems both vast and intimate, a place where the seeds of today's work might one day grow into the solutions of tomorrow. With each breath, you carry with you the quiet determination and hope that defines this field, ready to continue the journey when the morning light returns. In this moment of stillness, the simplicity and complexity of life merge, offering a serene reminder of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. As you walk away, the gentle embrace of the evening wraps around you, reinforcing the sense of quiet purpose that the lab instills. The day's work, though seemingly small in its steps, contributes to a grander narrative, a story of curiosity and innovation. With a heart full of reflection and a mind at ease, you know that each day brings new questions and the promise of discovery. And as the stars twinkle above, you find comfort in the thought that the journey of understanding and creating life continues, one peaceful moment at a time.